Then we've got little odd bits of tools that you can choose to use. So this is a kind of a pointless magic pen. It's a bit pointless. Then more usefully, if we go into the maths sort of side, what subjects are you teaching here?
Very business maths, all those.
Business maths. Okay, let's go to the teaching school. Rubber.
There's any raised buttons as well, John? Adam, is there a raised button?
Yeah, if you can click on one of these, and I can choose delete for a second from the menu, or I could select the objects and choose delete as well. Maths. Can I try that? Can't try that. Let's just choose the rectangle. So you've got a basic rectangle here that we can resize, and whatever, I should be able to resize that. And you can see as I move it, it will actually show me the degrees as well. Maths again. Protector. I should be able to resize that. And there, although it's not clear, I've also got it showing me the degrees inside that circle. And then lastly, you have a ruler as well. So you have all these sorts of basic objects. And as a simple activity, I've got a table as well, which is quite nice to do. So if you want a simple kind of show and reveal activity with students, you can just use this table button here. So let's clear these out of the way. Delete. Get the menu. Delete. And let me insert into here a picture. So move this picture to one of the cells on the table, let go, and it inserts that picture directly into that cell. And then the thing you can do with these cells, we can insert some text, have a text button. Type it on the keyboard. I can type it on here.
So basically, use your finger as a mouse, don't you? Really?
Yeah, yeah. And holding your finger down, it brings up the little context menu. Just right click. But if you put a table onto the screen, a nice little activity that you can do with a table, having sort of populated it with your pictures and your diagrams and the text. So if you just right click on any of these cells or hold the mouse down, hold your finger down, get a little context menu appearing in a moment. I could do it here. And I have the option to add some cell shade. You can see that from there. See that add cell shade. So on here, I can add a cell shade. And then you have a little activity where you just click on these cell shades and it reveals the picture beneath. You've got these reveal cells. I go down a bit further. This is an object for a science class. And we've got click and reveal. Does anyone know their biology? Okay. So this is a click and reveal activity, and it's showing you the parts of the heart.
So are these set within the software?
Yeah.
Or presumably you could import your own diagram and label it how you want.
There are different ways. Actually, you could use these activities that are embedded into the notebook software, which is in that second tab, and that's one you should browse through, and you'll find stuff like this. So for all the different subject areas, for geography, for science, for business, for motor vehicles and so forth, you'll find little objects and activities that have already been created.
Right.
Or you could choose to create, your own. So here's a little table activity that I've created for, say, IT. And all I've done is place some pictures and the words behind in a table with some cell shapes. Right. But the most engaging stuff in all these sort of flash-based tools are in this second tab here. So if I click on this second tab, you'll see that you end up with a little picture of gallery essentials, lesson activities, and gallery sampler. And if you're downloading this software at home, you'll download the main notebook software, which is, I think, something like 200 megs, and it gives you the option to download the galleries as well. And if you choose to do that, it'll take probably 40-50 minutes, depending upon your broadband, to download, or an hour and more to download the 500 megabytes of more of the gallery content that goes with it.